John Lennon wrote a letter, or maybe just a dream. Sent it off to Ringo Starr in a half-forgotten scene. Ink was made of moonlight, words were soft and strange. Said the eggs we used to know are no longer in our range. Next door lived a Russian with a mile-long shore, walking to the market past the creaky wooden door. Played in scrambled eggs, though no one heard them sing. Just a cracked piano and a quiet broken string. Oh, the long egg rolling through time, from the fridge to Mars in a nursery rhyme. Shells in a line like a breadcrumb trail, telling old stories that refuse to fail. It's surreal, it's cracked, it's gone, and it's true, like a song that remembers you. I'm not the egg I was, the whisper came through. Been held by too many hands, I don't feel new. Erica laughed, said I won't take a bite, not even the freshest egg in morning light. She texted anime, all just to slip away from the coop and the noise and the things they'd say. Go check your chickens, she told Lennon slow. Find a better answer in the place they go. Oh, the long egg drifting in space with a 1,000-year echo you cannot erase. From omelet ghost to a Martian shore, it's happened before and before and before. It's absurd, it's deep, it's oddly sincere, like a voice you almost hear. On a cruise ship someday they'll find it again, in an employee fridge at 10:15, wrapped in foil with the name half gone. The long egg sleeps, but not for long, and the Beatles might laugh from a distant refrain. The Beatles in the static like a soft refrain, where nothing is certain and truth bends like light, and eggs dream of walking away in the night. Oh, the long egg spinning through lore, a relic of maybe and metaphor. From Russia to Mars to your kitchen shelf, it's a story that rewrites itself. It's a joke, it's a myth, it's a cosmic plea, what the egg was and what it could be. So if you open the fridge and it's not quite right, and something hums softly in the light, just smile, step back, let the mystery stay. Some eggs were never meant to be eaten.